Hello, and welcome to 100 Hours of Healing Annual Fundraiser, presented by Whole Self Unity. Whole Self Unity is a 501c3 nonprofit with the mission of fostering healing into wholeness through community, education, and treatments. Our vision is to become whole together. We offer classes, events, and fundraisers such as this to raise awareness and funds for the integrative therapies. Integrative therapies are an and for medical needs and attention. This fundraiser, 100 Hours of Healing, begins November 11th and runs through the end of 2022. You can purchase these individual presentations for $5 or all of the presentations that are presented over the weekend for $50. The link will be above or in the comments or both. And you can always check out our website at wholeselfunity.org. I'm Tracy Payton, a Reiki master and a life coach and trainer focused on energy and creativity. I help women with too much on their plate to create focus clarity to start and end their day. This presentation is about getting unstuck. I'm sure we've all felt stuck in places, just frozen in place, not able to do anything. And sometimes we feel that way for a long time. We can feel that way in life, in health, relationships, in our finances, in just everything. Now, maybe not all at once, but it certainly can happen. And there's no way for us to get unstuck until we actually have some awareness. Awareness is what starts to loosen those fibers and that concrete around our feet to move us forward. So, this presentation on getting unstuck helps to create awareness. We're going to be presenting two tools that you can use to create awareness where you are, talking a little bit about mindfulness and how to kind of move through that unstuckness. So I encourage you to join it. Again, donate $5 to gain access to this full presentation or $50 to gain access to all of the Whole Self Unity's 100 Hours of Healing content. If you're unable to donate, we completely understand and we would still love to connect with you. Follow the link to access a free guided meditation. Let's become whole together.